Smells good. Oh!
What?
That is some strong wasabi. Wasabi. Emmy, you got. You're gonna die. Hey guys, we are here for our second unboxing.
Japan package
from Japan. If you missed our last unboxing, be sure to look below. I will put a link so you can check it out. It's really fun. So this one is coming from an aunt in Japan, and check out, I don't want to show her address here, but check out all of these stamps. She went old school. It's really funny. So let's open it up. Everybody watch out, I have scissors. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Remember?
No, over here, over here.
Unboxing video, you had a knife and you didn't know how to use it.
I do remember that. Ha ha ha. This time I'm not even bothering with the box cutter. I just don't even know how to use it. Watch your fingers. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Ta-da-da. Oh my goodness, the anticipation is killing us. All right, everybody stay. Let's see, how can we do this so we can show everybody what's in the box? And you guys can see too. Okay, everybody to the side. Ken's over here. Over here. Over here. Are you ready? You guys open one side. You open the other side. Here, come over here. Over here. What do we have? What's this? Bubble. Whoa! Whoa! What is it? Oh wow! Wait, wait, wait. I don't know if these are
calendars,
placemats, or let's see. Hold on. Kuria file. Okay, they're like folders. So this is from the movie Totoro, right? And what's next? They just want the bubble wrap. Okay, show the camera. What's that one?
Totoro in the rain.
Okay, share. Mia,
Totoro in the night sky with the kids.
Another Totoro.
And the baby ones.
This is a cute movie. If you haven't seen it, I think it's called,
so cool.
In English, I think it's called My Neighbor Totoro. I think. Okay. Whoa, what's in this?
I'll open it.
Oh, cute! Hello Kitty. We've got two. These must be for the girls. A little little case, zippered case. With a mesh back.
Kai.
Kai, good reading, but that would be Kiki. Kiki's. This is a DVD from Japan called Kiki's Delivery Service. Have you seen this?
No.
We haven't seen it yet, so we'll have to watch it. If you've seen it, comment below what you think about it. By Studio Ghibli, who also created Spirited Away, Ponyo, and Totoro. Oh, what are you opening? Kenzo, let's see. Did you show them? Oh, Thomas. Choo-choo.
No, wait. What is this?
Let me see. Let me see. Petbotoru. Oh, it's a top for your water bottle, like a pet bottle, the plastic water bottle. So, hold on. You can like take off the regular cap and use this as the cap. This is nori, some kind of seaweed snack. Not a huge fan. That looks.
These are Totoro,
what do you think? Would you eat it?
These are Totoro pencils.
Here, back away. Ah, Totoro pencils. Oh yeah, My Neighbor Totoro. That's the English name from Studio Ghibli or Ghibli. How do you say it? Oh, they're cute. Totoro's on the pencils. Okay, what's next?
I think this is for
I know what they are. Look at the back. Look at the square papers shown. Can you guess what it is?
Yes.
It's for origami, Japanese paper folding. So look at all the cute things you can learn to fold in here. Totoro. So cute. I am the worst at origami. I am absolutely the worst. Like, get so frustrated by it. We haven't really done much yet. Oh, so they gave us 2 of those origami sets. Very cool. So that was it. So fun. These are from one of Kenzo and Miya's aunts in Japan. Their grandpa's sister. So what do we say? What do we say to her?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So cool. We love getting stuff from Japan. I know it's so expensive to ship it, but it means so much. Oh, we have one more. Ah, a bonus. We're gonna open it. Come here. Sit. Open it. Ah! What is it?
She said she would.
What is it?
It's Totoro.
Totoro! We got it! We've only seen it on YouTube. So finally we have the actual DVD, and what she said is that the DVDs she sent are region free because Japan and America have different region for DVD players. So unless you have a international DVD player, you can't play DVDs back and forth unless it's region free, which is really hard to find. So supposedly these are both region free and we can watch them here in Japan. And I'm so excited. The girls have never seen either of these. Have you? If you've seen both of these, Kiki's Delivery Service and My Neighbor Totoro, which do you like better and why? Comment below. If you have another favorite Japanese movie like Ponyo or Spirited Away, let us know. That we need to watch it and maybe do a review or something. Cool.
They're really nice because they let us get.
Oh, cool.
Give it to us.
So the origami has like, can you see that?
No.
Has guidelines and stuff of where to fold it, so that helps you together with the instruction book. Very cool. We'll have to try those with Daddy. Daddy's gonna be excited to see what's in here, except nothing really for him, but maybe we'll give him these. You wanna try one now? Try one. Let's do a taste test. Here, let's do it for the camera. Everybody come sit and let's have one. The nori wasabi. Oh my, wasabi shoyu. So basically it's nori, some kind of nori snack, seaweed snack with wasabi and soy sauce. So this might be, it might be spicy. Wasabi is the really spicy thing that comes with sushi. Oh my goodness, look at this. Whoa! Okay, wait, I'm gonna try it first because it might be really too spicy for you. Whoa, okay. Okay, let's see. This is what I'm eating. Smells good. Ooh!
What?
That is some strong wasabi. Wasabi. Emmy, you're gonna die. You can't eat this.
What up?
I'm really strong. Emmy, you wanna try it? Wait, come here. You gotta stick out your tongue. You're gonna she's gonna die. Come here.
We're gonna die.
Okay, we gotta get our face on this. Ready? You're just gonna lick it. Ready? No? Here, one more. Not spicy?
Let me lick it.
Take a bite. I don't believe it. You like it?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, Mia, come here. Your turn. Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Now it's Mia's turn. You ready? Stick out your tongue.
My turn.
Oh, spicy. There we go. It hit you, right? Do you need your water? You okay?
Wait,
You like it?
Could I try?
Mia, you want to eat
try?
it? Chew it up?
Could I take a bite?
No. Kenzo's turn. Okay, stick the whole thing in. Stick the whole thing in. You can spit it out in my hand if you need to. Ready? That didn't last long. So Abby apparently likes spicy stuff. Interesting. Are you okay? Tell us what it tasted like.
It tasted like hot pepper.
Have you ever had hot peppers? No. It tasted pretty spicy, like fire, like eating fire. They're actually really tasty though. They're salty and yummy, and they have that, you know, wasabi kick at the beginning, but they're really good. Guys, do you remember how to say goodbye in Japanese?
Yes.
How do you say goodbye in Japanese?
Right.
Sayonara. Sayonara. And how do you say, like, see you later? In Japanese, do you know? Ma. Ta.
Mata.
Matane. Matane. Bye bye. Be sure to subscribe and and follow us and watch our videos. We do lots of product reviews and travel videos. We went to Japan last summer. Those are really good. I'll link them below. We do acro yoga and our cute kids around New York City. So subscribe and comment below. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later guys.
Bye-bye.